Hey guys, how's everybody doing out there? We're going to do Power Hour today. Going to do something a little bit different. Okay? We are going to do Power Hour. What is Power Hour? It is the last hour of market open. As you can see, this is Weeble. If you'd like Weeble, I'm going to post a link in my description. You get 2 free stocks for showing up. All you have to do is put $100 in. Okay, so what is this showing here? Well, the global view here is showing, of course, everything on our side of the world, guys, is red. It just is. Everybody's having a red day. Unless you happen to pick a few of these lucky top gainers here on the left-hand side at the bottom, you're probably having a red day in your portfolio, okay? Some of the top gainers are Virpax, Alfie Incorporated, Vivos Therapeutics, Biodesics Incorporated, and interesting, Monday.com. Okay. All right. So the Dow Jones has dived almost 400 points, and Tesla loses a key support. Tesla, my Esla, what are you doing to us? All right, let's take a looky-loo. Let's maximize this out and take a look at Tesla. I got a couple stocks up. I have, of course, Dogecoin up because I think by the end of the year you're going to be really happy if you put a little money in the Doge. Hope everybody had a good day today. I am off for a few days. Hey, Gusty's Plants. Hey, guys, check out his channel. He's been a very huge supporter of my channel, and he's got a lot of nice ASMR plant videos over there. If you don't know, I also have a second channel called Tropical Buzz, where I've made a few videos about some plants I have in my plant collection, and I look forward to building that channel out as well, because that's something I enjoy, and believe it or not, those videos have done very well. I did a video about my Hoya sorghauensis and a few others. If you want to go check out Tropical Buzz, that is my second channel. That is awesome. I bet the weather is beautiful over there. Gusty is in California. He does a lot of great collaborations too. Love to support YouTubers that also like to give back and support other fellow YouTubers, and Gusty's always doing that. So I give you kudos, Gusty. That is awesome. I'm going to bring up Tesla real quick. I had felt that Tesla had a really strong support at 700. Well, as we see today, that support has been broken. We are now currently at 661. I didn't buy more Tesla because I was already underwater on Tesla. My average in Tesla is, I believe it's in the 740s. So I have a ways yet to go, and I didn't want to overextend myself, which is something else that I wanted to talk about as far as these type of days, these red days that you come across. You're going to come across them. It's part of being in the stock market. And if today was a day that had you sort of feeling panicked, or had you feeling like very emotional or sort of desperate, all that means, guys, is that you probably have too much money in the market. Okay, so what you want to do is, going forward, go ahead and scale back a little bit. Today, of course, my portfolio was down. My Robinhood portfolio was down, but I'm not in a panic mode. It is just part of being in the stock market. So I'm just going with the flow. All right, we got 40 and broke. His service is in and out. Welcome. Thank you so much for joining us. 40 and broke. As you see, I have 4 stocks up here that I'm looking at. The bottom right is one that I have a $85 call option on, which I knew when I got it was risky, and I believe I'm down about $180 on that. I may have to cut it. I'm trying to give it a few more days this week. If it doesn't do what I think it needs to do by the end of this week, I'm just going to take the L on Activision. I thought we would be back up over that $85 mark, but of course the whole market is red. Now, I didn't do my new account challenge update, so I'm going to tell you guys what I bought. I bought 5 more Vuzi because Vuzi is still, and today it is as well, it is still at a great price, the Vuzi Doozy or Vuzix. I'll bring that up. I bought 5 more. This is for my new account challenge. This is not for the $100 stock challenge that I'm doing with 40 and Broken Michelle Morar. On that one, I bought 7 shares of Vuzi, and I'm still down a little bit on that stock choice, but I'm holding it because I think it will do a little recovery. I needed to get back up over $12 for me. But like I said, everything is down. For a long-term stock pick, Vuzi, I think is a very innovative company, and I think it will be one that you may want to put on your watch list because they're doing telemedicine and other really awesome things. I think eventually we won't be carrying our phones. We're going to have eyeglasses that have all the information in the smart glasses, and I think a big dog company will end up buying Vuzix. If not, Vuzix will still be a monster. I think it's a great stock pick. Also, Kathy Wood has Vuzix, so I'm not afraid to speak about it or believe in it because I really think once we give it some time to do its thing, it will. Hey, we have Terry Grant from Montana. Where it's smoky and hot. How come it's smoky? You guys have some wildfires up there, Terry. Thank you so much for joining the channel. Be safe. I know there's so much extreme weather out there. It's crazy, guys. It's just crazy. Florida's been lucky. I'm streaming from Orlando, Florida, and we've been lucky. Down here, these tropical storms seem to have pivoted. This most recent one, it's pivoted more to the west, and I believe it's going to go across Tallahassee. So stay safe up there, brothers and sisters up in Tallahassee area. And then it looks like it's going to cut across the northeast. So you guys will get some of the rain from that. But some places are having, they need the rain, so that might be a blessing for them. Montana, wow, I don't think I've had anybody from Montana yet that has joined my live stream, so welcome Terry Grant. Thank you so much for joining me. Guys, I try to go live at least twice a week and catch up with you guys and give you guys a chance to chat, and we can talk about some things that you might want to talk about. With the stock market, I'm kind of surprised that Tesla took the fade, but Tesla has been very volatile, so I can't be too surprised at it because it just has been volatile, right? So you don't want to go ahead and play options and things of that nature because then you open yourself up for risk. But guys, we were talking about this in the Capitalist Academy today, and if you'd like to join a great stock market academy that goes live for one full hour, Monday to Friday, check out my link below. But we were talking about, you have to look at how you've done over the course of the year. You can't just look at today's stats and say, oh, I'm a terrible trader, or I'm not a good stock picker, or I'm not a good investor. You have to look at what you've done throughout the course of the year, and if you have started this year, well, you have some history there. You can see where your gains and where your losses is, and if you have more gains than losses, then you're doing all right. But say that you don't have more gains than losses. If you're new to the stock market, brand new, or even if you've been in for a few years, this is not something that you learn overnight or you learn in a few weeks, okay? This is why I talk about the academy, because it's good to be a part of a group that can kind of help guide you, through those months and through those years until you get to that pinnacle of where you feel as though you are a great investor. Think of it as paying your tuition for learning a skill, because stock trading is a skill and you are learning that skill, okay? So don't beat yourself up too hard. As long as you have learned something from your loss, you've not really lost. Look at it as you're paid that tuition, right? And this is from, of course, Peter DiCarlo. He is my mentor and, of course, the owner over there at Capitalist Academy. So give him a shout out always, because it is about your mindset. You have to have a winning mindset. Have a millionaire mindset. Don't hold yourself back either. Have a millionaire mindset, right? And as you saw earlier, I had Kroger pulled up because Kroger actually had a good day and not too many people are talking about. However, I believe I just recently read an article that Warren Buffett had made a bet on Kroger. Guys, Kroger is advertising like crazy in the Central Florida area, and I have never seen so many Kroger ads before, ever. And now all of a sudden, all I see is Kroger billboards, Kroger food delivery for home, right? Okay, so what I realized is they have a distribution center that is centralized in the Central Florida area, and they deliver your groceries straight to your home. And they have this fantastic robotic technology, this company they work with, okay, called Ocado. If you have not read about Ocado, Ocado, read about that. It's really fascinating. And the robots pick the groceries for you at the distribution center, and then of course a vehicle picks it up, a delivery person. I think eventually they will load the groceries into an autonomous vehicle, and the autonomous taxi or delivery vehicle, if you will bring you your groceries. I think this is a great stock pick for the watch list. Kroger, ticker symbol KR. Okay, guys? And check out the video I did on Ocado. I did a video on it. It is I believe it is a over-the-counter stock. I believe it's OCDDY, but don't quote me if you'd like to invest in them. Check that out. What's everybody buying today? Is everybody just kind of sitting on their hands today, or are you guys buying something? I bought a couple more shares of Nintendo because Nintendo has taken quite a fade, and I believe in Nintendo as a company fully, and Nintendo pays a dividend. Nintendo was at a fantastic price today, so I bought 2 more shares just for my personal, one of my personal accounts. I'm trying to build up some shares in Nintendo, so then when they pay that next dividend, I will get some divvies from Mario. All right, that is one you want to put on the watch list, guys. You know, when they make the new version of the Nintendo Switch, and they come out with this new brilliant display, this beautiful display that's going to be bigger, it's going to be crisper. Everybody's going to want the new Switch. Nintendo's going to crush it. And of course, there's Nintendo Land at Universal Parks. It is going to be a huge experience out here in Orlando, Florida, but I believe they already have it in Japan. It's already open. It's a whole Nintendo Land, like you're going to Disney World, but it's like Nintendo World. If you've never been to Universal Orlando, you'll know that they do these immersive experiences where you go into these different lands, like when you go to Islands of Adventure. Each island is like a different experience. It's like a different land, right? So you go through Jurassic Park, right? You go through the Marvel Universe. You go through the Dr. Seuss land. Well, they're going to have Nintendo World, or I believe that's what they're calling it. I'm not sure, but you're going to have that whole world of Nintendo where everything is like you're living in the game. It's a pretty awesome idea they have, and of course they're going to benefit greatly from that. Okay, so yeah, guys, one to watch. Just put it on your watch list. Of course, I don't know when it's going to start moving back up to that $70 range, but it might be a nice time to snag a couple shares of the Nintendo. If you can see it in your mind, you can hold it in your hand. There you go, Leroy. Leroy, that is correct. You have to be able to visualize your success. Is there a stock that you'd like us to bring up that you're watching? I know Leroy had bought some NEO, another stock that I think uh, over time is going to do amazing, but right now it's just it's a little scary because it's under that $40 mark again. NEO is under that $40 mark again. And it's a little scary for people, but I think if this is a long-term pick for you, this is not a scary day. This is a shopping day, okay? This is a shopping day. Everything is on sale, okay? Tesla's on sale, NEO is on sale. Everything, if you like Xiaopeng, Xpeng, that's on sale. Whichever EV you like, they're all down, okay? I believe it's XPEV. They're all down today. So whichever one you like, go ahead and grab them up on sale. I mean, who doesn't love a sale, right? Xpeng's at 37.73. We got NEO sitting at about the same price, 37.90. It's very volatile today. And Tesla, wow, back at 661, 662 range. Wow. I mean, if you have the money, I'd be loading up on some Tesla. I just don't have that type of free capital right now to load up on Tesla. And like I said, I kind of bought in on a high note. So, but am I holding Tesla long term? Absolutely, one of my favorite stock picks. If you didn't check out my last video I did, which featured Steve from Disruptive Wealth Creation, check that out. I think a few of you guys already were watching that. We had a lively discussion about if you could only pick one stock, what stock would it be? So go ahead and watch that, and don't forget to leave your stock pick in the comments. If you could only pick one stock, what would it be and why? Leave that in my comments if you wouldn't mind. Also, guys, if you're watching a live stream, please don't forget to smash that like button. It means a lot. It helps the channel grow tremendously, guys. It helps me out a lot. All right, we got Invest for Tomorrow with Kay. How you doing? Thank you. I am waiting for Tesla to drop below 600. Oh, that's like Christmas, right? Absolutely. And 40 and Broke says if Tesla drops below 600, I'm buying in. You know what? I might have to sell a few things to buy in myself. If it drops below 600, I might have to make some arrangements. Okay, let's just put it that way. And I tell you what, Brother Rowe was saying NEO is his long-term winner chicken dinner at $37. That's a steal for NEO. Okay. Something to think about if you have that free money and you have that vision. If you have that vision, just like my Dogecoin holding. I have a vision for Dogecoin. That's why I leave it up here. It's one of my favorite. Another shout I want to give to the Dogecoin millionaire, Pro the Doge. If you're not subscribed to him, he has a really entertaining channel. He's been going on almost every single day, not every day, but almost every single day now. He used to only make a video here and there, but his channel is very entertaining, and I really enjoy leaving comments in the comment section for Pro to Doge. He is the Dogecoin millionaire, if you're not familiar. He was the first person, may not be the only person, but he was the first person to come forward and show proof that he had become a millionaire by investing in Doge. And when I leave a comment, he always leaves a comment and he gives me a little heart. So he is reading the comments, and I can just see his channel doing amazing. And I think his Dogecoin holdings are going to do amazing. But, you know, I like Dogecoin. So what are you laughing at, Kay? Yeah, I mean, I like to give shout outs, and I've really been enjoying his channel. I kind of look at him like a bit of a celebrity. So when he answers my comments in the comments section, that's kind of awesome. So yeah, I think he has an entertaining channel if you want to go check that out. Of course, Invest for Tomorrow with Kay, as you can see in the live chat. He has a great channel as well. Please give everybody here a subscribe. 40 and Broke. He has a great channel. A lot of positive energy. If you're looking to start your investing journey, it is never too late, okay? And if you have a channel, again, Gusty's Plants, all one word, go ahead, check him out. He's a big supporter as well. We got Steve from Disruptive Wealth Creation. I'm sorry, Steve. I'm just seeing that you were on here. Of course, you see I featured Steve in my Tesla video. And I'm going to feature the other guys as well. I'm going to feature Kay and his Apple pick. And I'm going to feature Manos and his Rio Tinto pick, which I'd like to do a whole separate video on Rio Tinto, because it might be a stock that people are not familiar with, but this is a really good company, Rio Tinto. Let's bring that up for a second. They have diversified mining operations. They even mine diamonds, and they mine these things. I was looking up the website. They mine these things called Argyle pink diamonds. They are absolutely gorgeous. You have to go to the Rio Tinto website and check out the page they have about their diamond mining. It's really like these diamonds that they're mining are absolutely gorgeous, and I'm sure they're going to get top dollar. Look at it. Look at that green candle right as we speak here for Rio Tinto. Somebody's just bought a whole bunch. I had this on let's put this on the 1 minute time frame. You can see that's a hammer doji right there. This right here, that's a hammer doji. And when you see a hammer doji, it looks like you're holding a hammer straight up and down. Usually the next candle is a green candle. Usually. It doesn't always have to go that way, but that's usually a very bullish signal, okay, for that. And so that's great stock for the watch list. Rio Tinto, check them out. That was his pick, so I'm going to do a whole separate video on that. Sorry about that, guys. When I maximize it, it kind of erases what I had up here. It erases it. Let's see where Bitcoin's at, because I do like to talk about crypto too. I don't just talk about the stock market. I do like to talk about some crypto. Bitcoin sitting at 45,400. It looks like it was heading towards 50. It really did. Will it? I don't know. I can't say. Crypto will always be very volatile, so we just have to wait and see. But if you dollar cost average into it, I think you will be fine with your crypto. You just have to kind of dollar cost average in and hold on to it. 40 and Broke says, thanks, Kay. I need to upload my video with the shout out to you and Steve. It's the stock update video for the challenge with Nora and Michelle Morar. Awesome. Yeah, shout out to Michelle Morar. Check out her channel, Michelle Morar, M-O-R-A-R. Thanks so much, guys. It's so fun collaborating with everybody. I want to thank you guys again for the invitation to do the discussion. It really meant a lot to me that you value my opinion. I have spent quite a lot of time studying the stock market in the Capitalist Academy, and also a lot of time studying on my own. It's something I've realized that I'm really passionate about. I love learning about it, and once I find something that I really, really like and that I really like to learn about, I kind of geek out on it, right? I geek out on it and I go all in with it, and I kind of have done that over the past year and a half with stock trading, and it's great because it's a hobby now, and it's actually paid off. I mean, it is something you can study about and get better at, and what happens when you get better? Of course, you make more money, right? So yeah, luckily, all in all, and I have taken some losses. I take some losses. I take some option plays that maybe I shouldn't have taken and maybe lose a couple $100. But overall, I have made money last year and this year. I can't say that I regret any minute of it. I truly don't. Invest with Kay says, Nora, can you put the link to Michelle's YouTube? Absolutely, I will. Yes, I will. Absolutely. I'd be happy to do that. Michelle goes live usually twice a week, but she usually talks about politics, which may not be everybody's cup of tea, but when she does the stock market stuff, it's good stuff, guys. And she also does eBay. If you want to learn how to make money flipping things on eBay, she also features stuff like that on her channel. So yeah, we'll be happy to have you guys go over there and support Michelle, making money with Michelle. I've had her on my channel a couple times. If you haven't watched my weekend live chats, they're pretty funny. I just like being silly, and we have a good time, just kind of talking about random things. The conversation kind of just is, it's just like an overall coffee chat about a lot of different topics. Oh, Tesla with the nice little pop up on the last minute there. Power hour. It's getting a little boosty boost. People are buying the dip. People are buying the dip. Look at that. Nice. We have 5 minutes to go. It's 3:55 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Okay, you're in New Jersey, so you are on the same time frame that I am. My friend in Montana, I'm sure you are on a different, you are on a different time frame. And then, of course, Steve's over in the UK. And then we have Leroy. What time is it for you in there, Leroy? I think Leroy is only about an hour behind me. I think so. Anyone in AMC? Yes, I am. I still have 50 shares in my Weeble of AMC. Let's take a looky-loo. AMC had a great day. I wish I jumped in it this week for my $100 stock market challenge. I would be winning. I know Michelle had it, but she jumped out. If she had stayed in, she would be... Whoa! Look at that action on AMC, baby. Let's make that bigger for you guys. Let's watch AMC for the last 5 minutes. That looks like it's doing a thing. Oh, that's not it. Hold on. Sorry about that, guys. That's Doge. Doge knows it's one of my favorites. It's trying to hog the spotlight. All right, AMC. Holy smokers, this ain't no jokers. Look at that green candle go on AMC. It's not a dead cat. It's not a dead cat. Look at that. Woo! Beautiful green candle. Look at that green shoulder go. Look at that. RSI pointing up. Mac Deep, Mac Dizzle for Sizzle pointing up. See how that's, you got the, it looks like the 50 days crossing up over the 100 day. Let's go, baby. AMC. Yeah, I'm diamond handing my AMC in Weeble. I have 50 shares. And I also have, I think, 2 or 3 shares in my new account challenge. So yeah, still have some AMC. Have not given up. I can be a bit stubborn. I did hold on to that. So yeah, looks like it's got some nice price action moving into market close. Look at that. It's fighting up. It's fighting around the $37 mark. But everything's pointing up, looking good for AMC. Gorilla Gang, Gorilla Gang. Sorry, guys. I don't talk exclusively about AMC. Of course, that's an algorithm favorite. If you talk about AMC, I'm sure the algorithm will pick your videos up. But there's so many people talking about AMC. I don't want to be another one of those people that just goes crazy over AMC. But I do still like it. It's kind of been trading flat around the $33 mark for quite some time. So it's good to see it finally doing something. Let's look on the monthly chart, the 1 hour monthly chart. You can see it kind of just, got up here to 37-ish, went back down. But now she's got a straight bull run here. Got a nice little upward channel. It's looking good. I don't know, maybe it could cross over 40 and keep going. I wish it would do what we all were dreaming it would do and get over 100. That would really help me out a lot. Somebody's pushing it down. Somebody's trying to push it down, but it's fighting hard. Look at that. Got a candle of indecision there. Now this one's like, is it green? Is it red? What's going on? Thanks for watching with me, guys. Appreciate it so much. Don't forget to smash the like button and make sure you are subscribed. AMC has a great options play every single week. Have you played AMC options? Invest for tomorrow. Man, if you had, you'd have made some tendies this week if you had some AMC options. I know that much. It is a risky one. Risking it for the biscuit. Wow, look at that. It's ending up nice. How much do you have, Kay? Do you have some AMC? What's your position in AMC, if you don't mind sharing with us? Oh, you're Eastern Standard Time too, Leroy? Okay. You got 20 shares of AMC? Sweet. You have a covered... Okay, go ahead. Nice. Okay. Kay got us beat. He got 700. All right, that's way more than I have, Kay. You went in. You went in heavier than I did, but of course, everybody can. You have to go with what their budget is. But I've swing traded AMC a couple times and made some money. I didn't hold every single share. I bought and sold into it a few times. I think, Leroy, that's it. That was what your strategy is, right? You usually buy and sell, buy the dip, sell the rip. At a $10 cost basis? Nice. My man made some money this year. Go ahead, Kay. I'm happy for you. Wow. Kay's got a $10 cost basis in AMC. It was about the $12 mark when I was telling all my friends about it. I believe that's when Michelle jumped in it. A couple of my other friends got some. I bought one of my friends a few shares of AMC for his birthday, and I said, listen, hold on to this. This is going to be like the gift that keeps on giving. But I think he sold it at 50. He still made money, but I wanted him to kind of hold it for this potential squeeze, for the big money. But that's okay. It ended up being a nice little birthday gift for him. Whoo! What a day! What a day! I don't know what tomorrow will bring. It's been real tricky to try to pick these winners out, guys. It's been challenging to pick some winners out. But definitely nice to see some nice stocks that you believe in long term at these wonderful buy-ins if you have the money to buy into it, right? Let's see, what else could we look at? What's everybody else looking at? Of course, Apple. Apple's gotten tons of calls in the black pool, which is something we share. The dark pool, I was called the black pool, I don't know why. The dark pool, which we share in the Capitalist Academy, he has black box stocks. And if you ask, what's black box doing? Black box, a lot of big money is buying Apple calls. So if you're in Apple, it's about to, you're not going to lose money. You're most likely going to make even more money because big money is very, very interested in buying Apple. They've been buying it heavy. Little secret tip there. So, Kay, keep doing what you're doing. Kay, keep doing what you're doing. Kay loves Apple. Steve doesn't, not so much. Palantir, yeah, Palantir is back in the news. What did it say about Palantir? That's great news. I did my Palantalians video. I thought it would go somewhat viral because of my alien, because I thought people would be curious, but it hasn't caught on, but I think eventually will. The algorithm will catch it. The Palantalians will show it some love. Palantir's at $23.97, about to get to $24. Very, very nice. Palantir fared very well today on a red day. Palantir fared very well. I think I have 55 shares in Webull of Palantir at a cost basis of about $24. So I'm up finally. I was bag holding that. I didn't look at it as bag holding, but I was. I was down on Palantir for a little while there, for several weeks there, but it's looking nice. Another thing I'm down on is Twitter, which I wish big money would start picking up Twitter, because I think Twitter will be a social media giant as they evolve and advertise on Twitter. I'm still a little bit down on Twitter. You have a stop limit on Palantir for 25.15 if I can catch the breakout. Sweet. Sweet, Leroy. Very nice. Great stock pick. How are you doing with your $100 challenge? Did you want to do an update or you want to do that separate? You have a... Okay. Kay's got a $21 Palantir put. Really? You see in some doom and gloom there. I mean that if we get an overall stock market huge correction, that could pay off for you pretty big. I like selling puts, because at the end of the day, if you're wrong, you just have to buy the 100 shares at that strike price. So I like that strategy. Learned that from my friend Pete as well. One of his favorite strategies is selling puts. I'm even on the $100. You're even on the $100 challenge. Me too. I made money on DraftKings and now I lost money on the Voozy Doozy. Down like $10.50 on Voozy, and I made about that much on DraftKings. So I think I'm about even. I'm back to my starting point. If I'd have put it all on AMC, I'd be winning the $100 challenge. But yeah, I bought Vuzix and I bought 5 more Ag Eagle, which was one of my favorite stocks. But boy, Ag Eagle, it's tough being a fan of Ag Eagle this year. She started off looking amazing, and then it just beat me up the rest of the year. Ag Eagle, the drone stocks just kicked the heck out of me. Lucas Murphy, who I'm always watching, Lucas Murphy, he's the drone king. He actually started a sports channel. I think he's very disenchanted with this stock market YouTube experience. It's been tough this year. A lot of the stocks that we were really gung-ho on have really kicked us in the can this year. So he's focusing more on his new channel called The Beat of KC. If you're watching, Lucas, let me know. Check that out. He features the Kansas City Chiefs if you are a football fan. He was out there today doing training camp. It was really cool. They were actually there watching the players do training camp. It was very nice. And the nice thing about that is he does sports, and his other sports YouTubers are of course in Kansas City too, so he gets to meet the other YouTubers, which is something I look forward to doing one day. If you guys ever want to come down and go to Disney World, I would love to meet each and every one of you. It's great if you can meet up with, the people that you have been collaborating with. Would be great to see you guys, especially if you come over from the UK and you decide to visit one of our premier vacation spots, which of course is Disney World. Please let me know, and we'll have to go out to dinner and hang out, guys, right? So I'm going to wrap it up, guys. I look forward to your update videos for everybody that's in the challenge. Please don't forget to do an update video. I will feature some more videos from the discussion we had. I already did one for Tesla. I'm going to do one for Apple and Rio Tinto. I think I didn't forget anybody. All right, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to smash the like, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Thanks for checking me out. Peace.